Got him. Okay. Let's go. Is it another smallie? What's in here? It's fighting pretty good. Yep, another smallmouth. Ooh, nice one. Give him a shot. Gotta watch that spring bobber, guys. Yes! Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. Oh, this is a monster. Holy cow, look at that white crappie. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, I'm going on a crappie mission. About to head to my mom and dad's house for Christmas, and my dad said he wanted some crappies to fillet. We're gonna try doing it in some Wagyu beef tallow instead of seed oil. So he wanted some crappies, so we're on a crappie mission today. This is also a lake where you could get a lot of different species: smallmouth, pike, muskie, bluegill, walleye. So if I get my limit quick, I'll go for some other species as well. Today I'm going to be using the 1/32 ounce pinhead minnow jointed in the chartreuse Wonder Bread color. So like that yellow chartreuse with the polka dots on it. I'll be tipping that with some Euro larva. And I'm going to be targeting them anywhere from like 14 to 22 feet of water. I'm trying to find some structure on the bottom and see if they're relating to it. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Going to get out here, going to drill some holes, going to look for some crappies, see how quick I can get a limit.
Yeah.
Let's go get him, huh?
Yeah.
All right, made it out to the spot.
Yeah.
Hands are frozen, absolutely freezing.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try these new hand warmers that I got. Get the cover off here. Sonar, drop it down, go with a bit less gain. There you are. Well, that's what we're working with today. We're gonna be fishing that little crib right there. Looks like there's fish in it. Let's see if they're biting today. We're in 17.5 feet of water this morning. We do have two marks slowly slipping in here. They look pretty big too, actually. I have just a silver pinhead on right now. I may need to switch it up if they don't like this. Well, I'm glowing now, so that's something different I'm doing than I was before. Trying to get down to these guys. There we go. So we're glowing. Yeah, let's see if I can get any of these little guys to bite now that they may be able to see me. Oh yeah, they can see me. Got him. All right, hooked up. First fish. Oh, beautiful crappie. Beautiful crappie. That'll eat. All right, so we're on them now. Let's get back down there. Glowing definitely helped. Definitely helped. Nice first crop. Let's go. Glow it again. And we'll get back down there. We're losing them right now. That was about an 11, I think. Okay, they're coming right back. They see it now. So I think what I was using before they could not see. Oh yeah, this guy's gonna smoke it. He's just gonna smoke it. Look at that. Oh, missed. Now I got a bunch. There's a bunch though. Reels all froze up. Somebody's gonna smoke it. This guy's coming up. Got him. No, this one feels nice. This one feels really nice. All right. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Another great one. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at that. There we go. There's more down there. That's 2. We'll glow it up really quick. Glow, glow, glow. Glow is the name of the game. It seems like, no, I found, they just couldn't see the silver one I had before. So there's no fish on the screen right now, but we'll see what happens when I get down there. We got another one. Gotta get down there quick. We got another one coming right to 0. And we just glowed it up. 2, 3 coming in. Oh boy, here we go. Oh yeah, here we go. No. Somebody gonna smoke it? Wow. Nice. 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 Another nice one. Another beaut. I gotta get back down there though, cause he just tanked it, dude. He tanked it. Look at how he ate that. My goodness. Okay. There's more, lots more where that came from. Glow it up. Glow it up, glow it up, glow it up, glow it up, glow it up. And we'll get back down there quickly. There's a big one on the screen right there. Let's see if I can get that guy. All right, right on him. Right on him. Oh, somebody saw it. Oh, they just offset each other. That's weird. That's really weird. Here we go. This guy's gonna grab it. Got him. Okay, that makes 4 really quick. This one's a nice one. Another nice one. Just a beaut. Just a beaut. Look at that. Awesome. There's another one down there. Oh wow. Thing fell off. Okay. Alright, we need to glow. We got multiple fish on the screen. We got to glow again. Glow is the name of the game. Glow is the name of the game. When you got fish on the screen, you got to glow. You must glow. Off there, we got 3 marks. These could be potential crappies. For sure. I think they are crappies, actually. Definitely crappies. And that's gonna do it. If he doesn't go right now. Hit it. Got him. That was a nice one. That is a nice one, dude. That is a nice one. Oh yeah. Look at that. Another beaut. Oh, another beauty. Look at that. There we go. Another beautiful crappie. We still got fish on the screen. Got to glow and get back down. Glow is the name of the game today. So get him in there. Get him in the glow. Get him in the glow. Get him back down. See if I can get that one fish to commit. That just went to the left there. One close, one 5 feet away. Let's see if I can coax these guys to bite. There we go. Dropping in on them. I want that one in the second. I want that one in the background. It's coming up. Oh yeah, he's coming. He's gonna smoke. Got him. Got he. That's awesome. This guy's great. This guy's great. Another great one. He's fighting great. All right, open the mouth. I'm trying to not touch these guys. He's right on the bottom lip there. Just another beauty. And there's still one down there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 4 more. And then I can start fishing for gills. Dropping down. Now I don't have as much glow on here, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I think we got him here, guys. Somebody's gonna go for it right now, maybe. That guy on the left looks like he's interested. Got him. Oh yeah, let's go. There's number 7. Just chasing around the bottom of the ice. Oh, that's a nice one. I mean, these are all just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Just gorgeous fish. Another butte. Another butane. Got all my spikes off now. Doesn't seem to matter. The only thing that matters really is glow right now, it seems to be. Which I'm guessing he's gonna accelerate once he sees that glow. Working with stained water, guys, especially in the low light morning, evening conditions, or at night, glow is super important. Got him. Quickly get him up before my GoPro shuts off. Need to change batteries. There we go, another butte. This one's a little bit small. I'll probably send that one back down. Yep, a little bit small. Glow it up, send it back down. There's one coming from the right that looks pretty substantial there. See if I can attract him in with the glow. He's at 10 feet away right now. Hey, it's not gonna hurt to try, right? I got no bugs on there at all right now. That one actually looks pretty substantial too. That mark at like 2 feet. See what he wants. See if he wants it. Somebody's gonna want it. Or nobody. It's all good. Oh, maybe this guy will want it. Looks like he wants it. Oh yeah, he wants it. Oh, but look at that mark from the left. Oh my. Okay, he's coming in. See if I can get either of these marks on the left or the right to come after it. Oh, they're huge. Oh, they're huge. Oh yeah, this one. This one, yes. Yes. Oh! Okay, how about the left guy? He's gonna want it. Give him a shot. Gotta watch that spring bobber, guys. Yes! Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. Oh, this is a really nice one, guys. This is a really good one. A really good one. Oh, this is a monster. Holy cow, look at that white crappie. Let's go. Let's go. All right. That's amazing. Look at that white crappie. Let's get a video of that. Awesome white crappie right there. Beautiful. Just a beaut. Probably, well, let's just measure him. Let's go ahead and measure him. 12 1/4. 12 1/4 white. And I got fish on the screen, so I got to get back down there, actually. We got to glow it up. There we go. Glow it up. We got fish down there. That was a huge one. That was a huge one. That was a huge one. We're going to let that guy down. We're going to let that guy go here. Nice. See ya, buddy. And let's get back down there. See what we can get. There's 3. Oh, there's just a massive school under me right now. Just a massive school under me right now of huge ones. Well, we don't know how big they are, but there's a lot. And somebody is going to fight for this, I think. I feel as though we should be good here. Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish under there right now. Oh, from the right. From the right. Go. No, no, no. Oh, no, he missed. I mishooked him. Bobber, spring bobber. Boom, got him. This one's not, oh, this one could be decent. Not as big, but it's nice. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh yeah, he shot right up the hole. It's a great one. We still got one down there. He's big, 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 big. Glow, 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 glow. Get back down there quickly. I'm using the 1/32 ounce pinhead. Does not last long. Does not last too long. They're still sitting under there, which is awesome. Should be able to get them now. They're still semi-close. Where I can probably get them here. Okay, this guy's coming in really hot. Okay, I think I got hooks into this guy. I think I got some hooks into this guy, and there's still fish under the screen. That is awesome. This is another beautiful fish. Another beautiful fish there. Look at that guy. Let's try not to get rid of your. Look at that. Awesome. And we'll quickly glow. Because glow is the name of the game, right? That's what brings them in 100%. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish down there. We'll get down there as fast as we possibly can. See if we rile them up as we come in here. Oh, we got fish coming in from all over the place. I want to go down, get one of these guys, these big ones. That's the one I want, yes. Got him. All right. Yes. Listen to that line sing as it comes up. Another butte. Another butte. But I think there might be a bigger one down there. Let's let that guy go. Oh yeah, there is a beautiful one right there. Coming in from the left side. 2 of them. There is a lot of fish close by, so I'm gonna try dropping down here and seeing if the glow will bring them in from the neighborhood. They're not that far away, and just like I thought, they weren't too far away. They were just around the corner, so there we go. Feels decent. Not huge, but it feels decent. Little guy. Yeah, it's not that little. We'll let that one go. Get back down there after we glow. Glow, glow, glow. Got more fish on the screen. I want to try to get a nice 11-incher here to close out the 10. And then we move to a different species. Maybe bluegills, maybe smallmouth. I don't know. We'll see. See what happens here. Here comes one. He wants it. Oh, heartbreaker. Heartbreak Hotel. Will he turn around? Yes, he will. He still wants it. He slacklined me and I missed him. Incredible, dude. I know there's more, though. I know there's more. Where this came from. Okay, he is back. This time he's committed. I think he's committed. Maybe? Maybe he's not committed? Somebody's committed. This guy's committed. Oh yeah. This guy's committed. Bringing him up. Okay, that is gonna close out the crappies. Yeah, I mean, it's close enough. We'll call that the last crappie that we need for dinner. Going to my parents' house for Christmas, and that will make an excellent Excellent crappie for that. So now on to the next species. Giants, dude. Holy cow, what do we got here? Oh man. Okay, got one. What do we have here, folks? Okay. This is either a really big crappie or a bass or something. Pulling a lot of drag here. Pulling them up. Oh, yeah, baby. I think we're recording, but I'm not sure. What do we have here? Oh my, smallie. Yes. Okay, let's go. Yes. I knew there were some smallmouth in here. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Just got him on the pinhead. There's a bunch. Let's go. Here, let's get this out of the way. Oh, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. We'll get him back down the hole here. Come on, buddy. See ya. And we'll get back down there. Smallie. Got him. Yes. Got him. No! Turn around. Don't turn around. Do they hate this? They're just very finicky. Oh, oh. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Got him. Yes. It's like a crap. What is it? Oh yeah, smallie. Yes. Smallmouth. All right. Another one. There's another one down there. I think. Look at that. Perfect smallmouth. Number 2. Look at that guy. Beauty. Came in and hammered it. Let's get him back down there. Hi, buddy. Get down there. Awesome. All right, number 2. Very cool. Looks like somebody's coming in from the side. Tons of movement down there. Tons of movement. Got him. Okay. What do we got? Let's go. Is it another smallie? What's in here? It's fighting pretty good. Yep, another smallmouth. Ooh, nice one. Nice one. Oh, yes. Look at that. All right. Look at that. Beautiful smallmouth. That's awesome. That's why they're so finicky in there, huh? That's why they're so finicky in there. All right, another beautiful smallmouth there. Just look at that fish. Absolute gorgeous smallie. We'll get him back in the hole here. Bye, buddy. That was awesome. Let's go. Good old glow. Float him in again. Let's see, drop it down a little bit. There we go. Flying up. Somebody. Here we go. He's coming around again like an airplane. Here, somebody's coming. Oh boy. Here we go. Got him. Okay, let's see what we got here. Is it a gill? Is it a gill? Whoa, what is this? What is this? Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I'm back at the car. I gotta unload, gotta get back home. Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year. I don't know how quick I'm gonna be able to get this out here. I hope I can get it out pretty quick. Got like a 1 hour limit today, so crappies were cooperating mainly in that 10 to 12 range. So got 10 to bring home, the limit here in Minnesota, and had a blast out here. Got some smallmouth, got it on video, got some live scope footage for you too. So hope you like that, switch it up versus just the camera angle at me or the chesty. Got a little bit different, you can see what I'm looking at with the live scope. So yep, again, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe. I got more content coming your way this winter on the hard water. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.